Hey squad, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So today's episode we got this cool right here, and basically what these are some replacement bulbs that you can use for your car. And you see for the one that we got right here is from this brand. And for the one that we got right here is called a SilverStar. And for this one in particular, you can see it is the 7443. And basically what these bulbs are for, let me show you guys. So pretty much for these bulbs, you can use it for all the different lights. And our lifespan that's on here is 125 compared to like the basic version, which is not as long because the basic version is not as bright as these. But the way how you set this up or install it shouldn't be too hard. But that is basically everything that's on the product. Let me actually go set this up to show you guys the difference of the product after you guys do install it. And then we'll come back and talk more product in a second.
I want to turn on the blinker.
Alright, so here is basically what the product looks like once you guys put a new light bulb for the blinker lights. So this actually looks like in this side. And then here we have the other side. So I don't think you guys can see it in the video, but basically the light bulb is right here. But you can see when you guys do replace it, it definitely does work. Welcome back guys. So nice quick test of the product, and definitely actually does work, actually works quite well. And you can see when you guys do install the product, it definitely makes a huge difference compared to what it was before. For the car that we installed it on, the light was actually going very dim because we've been using it for so long and so often. But you can see once you guys do install the product, it definitely makes a huge difference after you guys do install it, especially if you guys been using it for a long time. But obviously when you guys purchase any kind of bulbs in general for your car, you do want to make sure it fits your car first. You don't want to buy the wrong bulbs that won't fit into your car. That's actually very important. But that is basically everything that's on the product. Now to unboxing and testing product. Now to answer the question of whether or not it's worth it or not. So for this product, I do have to say that it's pretty worth it if you guys want to need one of these. Especially if you guys in the market looking for some high quality replacement bulbs, then I do have to say that it is pretty worth it. But then obviously for those guys who don't want or don't need one or haven't want these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else you actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.